Introducing the new TRIPLELUPA from Taco Bell. The chalupa deliciously reinvented.
I'm 20/20 in that side.
Taco Bell always coming through, guys. Always.
How are you today?
Hi, can I try the triple chalupa? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back for this is my first food review video, so I figured we would start it off with none other than my favorite fast food place of all time, and that's, well, I don't know if you can tell by the bag because the bag's all kind of messed up, but yeah, it's Taco Bell, right? Who doesn't love Taco Bell? I'm a huge Taco Bell fan, so if there are any Taco Bell people watching, sponsorship maybe, yes, no, okay, probably not. Anyway, today we have the, I don't know if, I'll try to pronounce this right, the TRIPLELUPA? Yeah, we got the TRIPLELUPA. So it's obviously 3 mini chalupas in one. So I like chalupas. I figured we would give this a shot on camera. So each one has different sauces. One has a cheesy sauce, one has a chipotle sauce, and the other one has a cheesy chipotle sauce. Yeah, so I mean, it all sounds good to me. So I think we're just gonna dig right in. So this comes in at about 610 calories, which is actually almost a little bit less than I thought it would be, so that's not too bad. Presentation-wise, not too bad, kind of what you'd expect from Taco Bell. So I say, without further ado, we dig right in, and I let you guys know what I think. I did decide to do this review outside today because it is such a gorgeous day, so if the lighting is not perfect, I do apologize, but let's get right into this. So we're supposed to pick it up, and you're supposed to be able to tear it, which works quite nicely. So I'm not sure honestly which one is which. This looks like chipotle, this one looks like cheese, and this one must be the cheese and chipotle. So without any further ado, cheers. The real test is, did they give me napkins in this bag? Let's find out. Oh, we got 1 napkin. Not too bad. So I think that one was the chipotle. Not bad. I'm gonna finish all of them, and then I'll let you guys know. Let's see. Alright. So these basically have the sauce, meat, cheese, tomato, lettuce, yeah, basically everything that you would get in any other Taco Bell item on the menu.
A few moments later.
A little messy. Alright, so I've eaten half of each one. Overall, not too bad. So I will say the cheese and chipotle one is probably the best. If you like spicy stuff, just the straight up chipotle one you're probably gonna like. But overall, I'm gonna give it 5 stars here, guys. I think it's pretty good. I might be a little biased because I love Taco Bell so much, but I will say it is pretty good. These were made pretty good, juicy. The shell is soft. It does give you a mix of flavors. So this was $4. I just got the entree, I did not get the meal, so it does come in at about $4, which is a little bit expensive. For all you guys who used to get Taco Bell back in the day, Taco Bell used to be a lot cheaper, and that was its big kind of draw. You know, I don't know if you guys remember the like 79, 89, 99 cent menu. That was pretty awesome, but obviously they don't have that anymore. But this was pretty good. I would say if you like chalupas and you like Taco Bell, you're gonna like the triple chalupa. Overall, very, very good. 5 stars. So that's gonna wrap up this quick video. But with this being my first review, guys, of food, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. What can I improve on, right? What can I do better? What did you like about the video? If you're just a Taco Bell fanatic like I am, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you guys are new to the channel, we're gonna be doing more of these, so please hit that subscribe button. That's pretty much all I have to say. Please, we'll hit that like button as well. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. As usual, guys, we will catch you all on the next video. Peace.